design for my book festival. When you initially open the app, it's clear to see the menu at the top, which stays fixed in place for easy access. Furthermore, you can also see my book logo, which will build a brand identity throughout the app. There's initially some images which are engaging and memorable, and they build a connection from the festival to the app. The sponsors are colourful, and the venue is here for easy access for people that might need it. For example, people who aren't as tech savvy, and even though my app is very simple, they may struggle. Seeing the venue right at the beginning, they will know exactly where they need to be, especially with the image, which will help bring them to Google Maps if they may need it. Furthermore, there's more images for more engagement and to make my app aesthetically pleasing, which my users would prefer. There's an events box, which through here you can either click straight through to an individual event or you can press more and view all the events. All of these events are well organised and spaced out, and they follow my colour scheme. The icons are very easy to understand and they're used throughout my app, which makes them recognisable. And the combination of the image to text ratio is in thirds, which is easy to understand and memorable for a user. When choosing an individual event, it's easy for the user to find out more through the location, time, and prices. They can also view the about, which shows what the event is for. After adding it to cart, there's a very simple checkout process, which includes a progress bar, which will inspire the user and motivate them to keep going through the checkout. They choose their desired ticket. They can then choose their payment method, and they can continue through to confirming their order. From here, they can go back to home, and they could also go through and click on the menu, which is easy to understand and navigate. Through here, they can go from events, and they can also view events this way. Or if they prefer, they could view the vendors. And these large images shows the user what they will be looking for in the event, which also is memorable and recognisable. After this, they could view the sponsors, which follow the colour scheme further, and this is important for stakeholders, and they can also view the accessibility. Through the use of images and frequently asked questions, this is very easy to navigate for any user. Furthermore, my app is clearly accessible and built with my users in mind, as it's very easy to navigate and there's very limited pinching, swiping for those people who may need it, and also the colours are very building my brand.